So yeah, hi everyone. This is just a quick stuff on how to like post your stuff on GitHub. So basically, I'm just going to create a new repository, and I will call it. I think the one yeah, newsletter sign up whatever. So letter sign up GTSC. I think this name is too long. No, that's sign up GTSC. Okay. So yeah, this is okay. So I'm just going to click on create new repository. All right. So there are many ways you can actually like paste your code. Well, the way I'm going to, I think you can do it by uploading, and sense that you can just drag and drop your stuff. But because when you're working on a complex project, you can't exactly like do that. So for a prolonged stuff, it's just better you learn how to use the terminal. So basically, what I'll do now is to yeah, what I will do now would be to just write git. You will just copy everything that's here and put here. So I'm just going to write git in it. Okay. Then it says initialized. Then I'll do git add. I will also git add dot. What git add dot do is that it's just going to like add everything in our file directory. It's going to save everything in quotes. So let's press enter. Right. Then I'll write git commit. I might not have to type it. I can just like copy this right here and paste it and press enter. And funny story, you can actually just copy everything like from this side and just put it right here, and then your stuff is ready to. So as this is done, I can just refresh this page and you see that this is done. So yeah, that's all.